welcome on this fine freezing Saturday morning with the sun out. Today we're going to be replacing all 4 springs and rear disc and pads and possibly 1 caliper. I've ordered just 1, but I've got a feeling both of them are seizing up. And these are the spring. We're going to do a 30mm drop. I could show my fingers already. I've only been out for not that long. These are the springs. There's some of the tools. I got the rest of them inside. So yeah, let's get starting. One side, one side is finally done. It's fucking freezing cold. Got the new disc, new pads, caliper. I had to cut this bit off the old caliper to get the cable off. It was completely corroded in there. That's a new spring. I hope we're gonna have enough clearance with this 19-inch. This is how high it's sitting on the driver's side rear. And if you go around, doesn't look much different right now, but I think once I drive it, it will settle down and we'll see. Hopefully it doesn't rub anywhere. The dirty diesel has finally been lowered. You can hear it ticking over in the background. Doesn't look too bad at all. I'm gonna take it for a quick spin. I do apologize for the dirty car.